Hi, my name is Gerhard Gschwandtner, and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today, we have the great pleasure of speaking with Peter Homing. He's the CEO of Gerhard Learning Solutions. Welcome, Peter.
Thank you so much.
Peter, your company is a performance improvement company, and you are well established in the field of sales and sales leadership with your excellent training programs. But what I learned recently is that you're also getting involved in DEI training. Can you tell us more about it?
Clearly, we are in the sales training side, but actually yesterday we were ranked as number one in the US amongst 1,400 leadership training. We are a specialist in online learning, peer-to-peer coaching, group coaching. So DEI normally falls into the categories, say, within leadership. We talk normally about DEI. We do a little bit differentiation. We talk about diversity, inclusion, and belonging. The difference really counts when it comes to getting people included in the team, and they actually feel they're belonging to the team and starting performing together. And the DEI becomes one topic to drive and develop the sales force. All the DEI, as I see it, it's a journey by yourself, understanding where you have your biases, but it's also a way to starting understanding and accepting where they are. But then the third one is getting those teams together and discussing and actually seeing those different views.
When I worked in Europe, I sat in many international meetings with, like 12 different nationalities represented in one room of about 20 people. To me, it was really fascinating because we were united by the same theme, but everybody had a different way of looking at that topic through the lens of their culture and their upbringing. It made for very interesting conversations.
We bring in the cultural perspective also in the DEI, and that's the first thing I make sure. I have to have people from different age, different gender, different countries. And then my role is really understanding, okay, how do people react? Well, what do they do? Why don't they talk? If you're in Finland, you have to do it one way. Are you in Denmark? You have a different way. Are you in France? The third way. That is, of course, super important from the sales perspective, getting those insights.
Let's jump into the tackling. How do you help a sales organization embrace those ideas, understand those ideas, and develop a range of skills that will help the organization perform better because of that?
We are 100% an online training company, but we are from the beginning built towards hybrid or blended learning. So that means out of our 400 courses, for each and every of the training, it will take DEI training, which then consists of diversity, inclusive, belonging, unconscious bias, the discrimination, we have the workplace and the culture. And we put people together. They do the training online whenever they want. They sit together and actually discuss what is my perception and how can we do this together? Can we have some projects running in our company and so on? And that takes them through all 5 parts here in the DEI training. It's so cost efficient for the companies because they really only pay for online training. They get all the material. We help them with the kickoff starting them. DEI is very much knowing yourself, being open enough, understanding other people. So what we have done also, we've taken this one step further and very recently launched something called Leading with Senses and Skills. You have emotional intelligence. That's also about understanding yourself. You have the resilience, and then you have communication skills training. And the fun part, people do the sales training. That's great to do.
Do you bring the managers into the training as well?
Always. The thing is, we forget, and we have so much bias built in. So seeing and being part as an equal, that's the way to do it. Just take it as your own training. Listen, learn, and be part. And there are some other advantages because there's always going to come out some great ideas. And if you have the manager in there, you can actually decide, yeah, let's do that.
what metrics should leaders apply to find out whether the training has been successful?
I always have a very straightforward and easy answer. What is it you want to achieve? Is it more leads? Is it better closing? Is it better negotiation? Is it more customer? Is it wanted to keep your main customers? Or what is your objective doing things? That is what we want to have as main objectives. We always go in as put the business objectives up there, and that's what we want to communicate, and that's what we want to achieve, because then we have a focus on why we're doing things.
Right.
And even if we would do a DEI for sales team, there is an underlying objective, and that could be we want to have stronger relations with our customers, our partners, but also in the teams.
Well, thank you so much, Peter. That was very enlightening and enjoyable. And I would like to, if everybody who is listening to this, go to chartlearningsolutions.com and learn more about the DEI program.
As part of being in the Selling Power Award program, we are also providing free trial between 7 and 14 days, depending on the company, on any of our libraries. And any questions you may have, you'll get my contact details. You're always welcome. Just send an email. We love that. We work with that 24/7.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Peter.